As I have said from my speech, the National Police Service will continue to support you, and we are going to do whatever it takes to ensure that all of you, your officers of the National Police Service, and we want to continue working with you. I have heard what Chief Inspector David said, his colleague has said. All of us, we are potentials of being or becoming disabled in one way or the other. So, I agree with you 100%. We must treat well those amongst us who are disabled, because you never know. And for that reason, the National Police Service, this administration, will continue to support you. We are going to continue doing whatever it takes.
Tondu makiuta mawira mao ne macemanagia na maundu maingi, amwe magate maybe maguru, aria angi moko, aria angi magakorwo na nyamu twitaga PTSD cimathumburaga muno, na turi haha umuthi ku appreciate wira mwega wa borithi, kumera makiuta wira wao ri ona ithuĩ ta society na Kenya ri no turagunikira ho, tondu biashara ya turutaga ni ya ku reinsure economy. Koguo angĩkorwo kwĩna security njega, ona biashara itũ no ĩragacĩra tũrĩ ho.